Prizepicks is a fantasy sports platform that allows users to participate in daily fantasy sports contests based on player performances in real-life sporting events. Here's how Prizepicks works. Select a contest. Users can browse through the available contests on Prizepicks and choose the one they want to enter. Contests are typically based on specific sports like football, basketball, baseball, or golf. Pick your players. In each contest, users are required to pick a predetermined number of players from a list of available options. These players can be from different teams and positions. The goal is to choose players who you believe will perform well based on their statistics and performance in the actual game. Set your projections. Once you've selected your players, you will need to set projections for each player's performance. Prizepicks assigns a fantasy point value to different statistical categories, like points scored, rebounds, assists, etc. You will need to predict how many points each player will accumulate during the game. Scoring and results. As the real game unfolds, the performances of the selected players are tracked and their fantasy points are calculated based on their actual statistics. The user's final scores are determined by the cumulative fantasy points earned by their selected players. Win or lose. At the end of the game, user scores are compared to the scores of other participants in the contest. If your score ranks high enough, you can win cash prizes or other rewards depending on the specific contest rules and payout structure. Prizepicks provides an engaging and interactive way for sports fans to compete and showcase their knowledge of the game while having the opportunity to win prizes based on their skill and predictions.